Today we're going to be in for a treat. Sorry the AC is blowing so loud. It is hot. It is right now 95 degrees out here in California. So the objective today is we are going to paint a mural, and that's what we're going to do today. I do have two sketches, sketches that I'm just going to super last minute, so I'm going to kind of vibe off that and then kind of just freestyle it. So we'll see what happens. So right now I got to stock up on some waters, you know, getting hydrated, it's hot, and then we'll get going. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get it. Peace. Now we're about to do some filming, so you can see there's a lot of graff. So we're gonna be doing some murals today, so
stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Let's get it. I'll go over this one. That's good.
I heard, are you gonna paint? Yeah, bro. Do you know if you can just paint whatever you want, or you gotta talk to somebody first? I heard you got.
We pay like a fee, right? Or something like that. Oh, that's pretty tight. KRS-One?
Yeah,
That one's sick. Welcome, guys. So today I got invited by my buddy Rask to paint at this place called the Graff Lab. And apparently this place is just to have, you know, people express themselves as far as like creating art and doing letters instead of kind of doing it on the streets, and keeping people in a safe environment to paint. And I thought that was pretty cool. So we decided to head over and check this place out, and I decided to paint a wolf. I always liked this, you know, from the Big Bad Wolf from the Three Little Pigs. I kind of got inspired from that. I just wanted to change it up in my own way, so that's what I did. And as you can see right now, I'm just painting the outline, and then I'm gonna do the base coats, then we'll start putting in the details. So hope you enjoy this, and thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe.